Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean an area rug using a Bissell carpet cleaning machine. Okay, this particular machine probably weighs about 30 pounds or so, so the average person should be able to lift it and transport it around fairly easily. The Bissell carpet cleaning machine is really easy to use. You'll see all these instructions on here to actually spell out how it gets used, but we're going to give you a quick little primer in the whole thing. You got your handle, your cord, there's a release button here that brings the handle back for ease of use. This is the dirty water tank. So as you're using the carpet machine, and I'll demonstrate how to use it, the dirty water is going to go in here and then you're going to dump that out. At the bottom, this is the clean water tank where you're going to add the clean hot tap water and solution to actually do the cleaning of the carpeting. This cap comes off, and what's unique about this unit is you can take it over to the sink and you can put it underneath the faucet to fill it up and then put it back in there. And there's a measuring cup right here that you can put the solution, the cleaning solution, into, and then you just carefully pour it into the tank, seal it back up, and then go ahead and put that reservoir tank on the top of it, lock it in place. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. I mentioned that there's a release on the handle right here that you pull that off and then the handle drops back. Right on the back, there is a power button. And there's a red button that you pull with your right hand that activates the solution and the scrubbing brush. And you pull that and you pull the machine back with you. Cleaning area rugs using the Bissell carpet cleaning machine is very similar to cleaning wall-to-wall carpeting. A couple things to keep in mind. Not all area rugs, depending on the material that they're made of, can be cleaned using a wet application cleaner like this machine. So you want to ensure that your area rug can in fact be cleaned by a machine like this, using the proper solution of carpet cleaning soap and the hot tap water in the unit. You're just going to work from one end to the other. You may need to put something on the rug. When you bring the machine to the edge of the area rug and you start to pull it back, the action of the brush can actually lift the carpeting up. You don't want to damage it. That spinning wheel is called the flow indicator. When you pull the red trigger that applies the solution, this lets you know that the clean water tank is full. When that stops spinning, it's time for you to refill that clean water tank. With area rugs, it all depends on what it's made of as it pertains to drying time. You know, if it's a smaller rug like this one here, you could lift it up and put it outside to dry more quickly in the sun and the open air, or you could take a small box fan to blow across the surface. That will certainly speed up the drying time as well. But keep in mind that it'll probably take a good 24 hours for this rug to completely dry. One other thing to keep in mind when it comes to area rugs, you know, typically they're sitting on top of a mat, and there can be a lot of dirt and debris on the underside of this area rug as well. Might be a good idea to lift this up first, vacuum underneath it, put the anti-skid mat down, then the rug, then clean it, and then you're ready to go. This will preserve the life of the area rug and it'll look great. Coming up next, my video on how to clean a couch, you may call it a sofa, using a Bissell carpet cleaning machine.